Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to add payment method on Uber Eats using the Uber Eats application on your mobile device. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open your Uber Eats application from your app drawer. Make sure that you're signed into your account as well. After you're logged into the account, click on the account button at the bottom right hand corner. Now this will open up your profile. From the list, tap on the wallet button at the top of the screen. Right where you can see payment methods, click on add payment method. You can now select the method of payment you would like to add for your Uber Eats account. You can add a gift card, your PayPal account, or your credit or debit card. Select any one payment method that is suitable for you and enter the information that is asked on the display. Also make sure to enter the expiry date, CVV code, and select your country as well from the drop-down. Finally, tap on Save in order to add a payment method. So that is how you can easily add a payment method on Uber Eats using the Uber Eats mobile application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.